Good morning, viewers. This is Dr. OJ. In this video, we shall be talking about differentiation from the first principle. Basically, we want to exemplify the concept of differentiation from the first principle. So, differentiation from the first principle, y is equals to sine into 3x plus 5. So, let's y is equals to sine into 3x plus 5 be equation 1. Now, basically, whenever we see our y, we have the increment of y, which is delta y, and whenever we see our x, we have the increment of x, which is delta x. So, we have y plus delta y is equals to sine into 3x plus delta x plus 5. So, that becomes y plus delta y is equals to, so when you open up 3 into x plus delta x, you have 3x plus delta x plus 5 here. That's equation 2. So we subtract equation 1 from 2, and that gives us y plus delta y minus y is equal to sine into 3x plus 3 delta x plus 5 minus sine into 3x plus 5. So you see that y minus y will be cancelled. It will be left delta y here, and that is sine 3x, sine to 3x plus 3 delta x plus 5 minus sine to 3x plus 5. So in this case, we see that we have sine something minus sine something. So we can now use the concept of addition formula of sine. So using sine A minus sine B, which is going to be 2 cos half into A plus B, sine half into A minus B. So our A here will now be 3x plus 3 delta x plus 5, while our B will be 3x plus 5. Okay, so that will give us what? Delta y is equal to 2 cos half into 3x plus 3 delta x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5, because A plus B is now what? 3x plus 3 delta x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5. So sine half into A minus B, that will give us what? That will give us 3x plus 3 delta x, that is plus 5, then minus 3x minus 5. Okay, so with that, we have delta y is equal to 2 cos half of everything in this bracket. 3x plus 3x is 6x, then plus 3 delta x plus 5 is 10. So sine half into 3x minus 3x will be 0, then plus 5 minus 5 will be what? 0. So we left to 3 delta x there. Okay, so now the next is the continued evaluation. Half multiplied by this will be half times 6x will be what? 3x plus 3 delta x all over 2 plus 10 over 2 is 5. So sine 3 delta x all over 2. Okay? Now, the next is what? The delta y will not be what? 2. You can bring sine 3 all over 2 delta x here, and you write cos into every other thing here. So this is just a rearrangement of what we have here. So we write 2 into sine 3 all over 2 delta x cos 3x plus 3 all over 2 delta x plus 5. So we now divide through by delta x. So by the time we divide through by delta x now, we have what? The left now becomes delta y all over delta x is equal to 2 multiplied by, you'll be wondering how we get this 3 over 2. 3 over 2 is taken from, because we know, we observe that 3 over 2 delta x is a little bit common here. So we can multiply through by 3 over 2 so that we will eventually be able to get something we take a limit to be equal to 1. So 2 multiplied by 3 over 2, and we now take limit now as delta x tends to 0, sine 3 over 2 delta x, everything over 3 over 2 delta x cos 3x plus 3 over 2 delta x plus 5. Okay, so now because we have taken our limit now, eventually delta y all over delta x now become dy dx. So this becomes 3. Then the limit of delta x tends to 0 of sine 3 over 2 delta x all over 3 over 2 delta x will be 1. Okay, because limits delta x tends to 0 of sine x over x is equal to 1. So limits as delta x tends to 0 of sine 3 over 2 delta x all over 3 over 2 delta x is 1 here. So multiply by cos into 3x plus, since our delta x equals to 0, so we have 3 over 2 times 0, that's 0. So that's 0 here plus 5. So which is going to be what? 3 multiplied by everything here, which is 3 cos 3 x plus 5. So please don't forget to subscribe to my video channel by clicking the subscribe button below the video and the notification bell, so that each time I upload new video, you will be notified. Thanks and God bless you.